Namaskar, this is Dr. Ravi. Today we will do some asanas for upper abdomen to strengthen the abdomen, and also this will make the digestive system better. So, first asana is we have to extend this. We have to stretch the upper abdomen. Asana is Urdhva Baddha Anguli Asana. So, I feet together, locking my fingers, stretching my palms out, hands up, and with inhale, I'm stretching my body on the toes, and also I'm stretching the upper abdomen. Exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, like that 15-20 times. Inhale, exhale. Each time when you inhale, stretch the upper abdomen. Above the navel, all this abdomen you have to stretch. Exhale, come down. Like that 15-20 times. And the next asana, Tiryaka Tadasana. And here you will strengthen these muscles, the sides, planks, the sides of the abdomen. Again, I lock my fingers, stretch my hands up, and without bending the elbows, I am locking my elbows. Now, both feet, they point towards the front, and you should press your heels harder, like this. When you bend, easily the opposite leg, it will become light or it will bend. So you have to push the heel to the floor, and then bend to the opposite side. Starting position, inhale, exhale, right, inhale, up, exhale, left, inhale, up, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, like that 20-30 times, right and left. Of course, in the starting it will be difficult. You can make just 5 times, and afterwards you can increase it to 20 times. So each and every time when you bend, just focus on the muscles that work and the body where it stretches. Okay, that is sides. So next asana, it's a dynamic. It's Adho Mukha Svanasana and Urdhva Hastasana. These two asana together we will do. Like this it looks like. I'm standing on the front of the mat. With inhale, I lift my hands up. Exhale, I'm bending down. I bend my knees, press my palms, and jump into the Adho Mukha Svanasana. Again, exhale. I focus to the front. With exhalation, bend forward. Inhale, up. Exhale. Inhale and exhale, jump. Inhale. Okay. So this movement you should make some 20-30 times like that. Okay. Again, I explain. From starting position, inhale. Exhale, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Here, normal breath, that means inhale. Again, exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Jump. Inhale and exhale, jump. So these movements 20-30 times. It will also make your abdomen work very active. And the next asana, we have to lie down. So the next asana is Nava Sanchalana. It looks like as if you are rowing a boat. So the asana looks like this. Legs together, and stretch the legs and press to the floor. So here legs it's difficult to maintain this position, stretching and pressing. So you have to more focus on this. So I'm stretching my legs, stretching my hands, and exhale. I'm going down. Inhale on the spine, but I'm not dropping my shoulders. Okay. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. inhale, exhale, inhale. So these movements also 20 times. Like that we have to repeat twice. Okay, Navasanchalana, repeat twice. Again, so after 20 times you just relax so that your breath become normal, and then repeat again 20 to 30 times. Navasanchalana, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale. In this position, when you come up, you should not lift your legs. Okay, so 20-30 times Navasanchalana. So this asana, it will make active the upper abdomen very good. You will feel when you practice at least one day, the next day you will feel how which muscles are working. Okay, so the next asana is Ardhanavasana. Ardhanavasana, it's a stable asana. Ardha, half, Nava, half boat. So I'm stretching my legs with toes. That means I'm stretching my front legs along the toes, stretching my hands, and with exhalation I lift my legs, hands, and head. Here I lift my legs at the level of my eyes. You should not lift too much. Okay, maximum at the level of your eyes. And exhale, come down. Stretching the hands and legs, it will help keep the asana for more time. So 30 seconds. Again, we will repeat 3 times. Exhale, inhale. 30 seconds means around 10 breaths you have to hold the asana. Again, with inhalation and exhalation, I come down. And after this, I just relax in this asana for 1 minute. Thank you very much for your attention. Hari Om.